In this video, I'll be unboxing the Meta Quest 3 so you get a better idea what's included inside of the box and what's not included. So let's get started right away. So first thing, to open the box, we have this small tab over here with an arrow. And we have another one on the other side of the box. Then we can slide this cover off and the box should open. Now, right over here, we have a small QR code we can scan. This way, Meta will show us how to set up the whole thing. I won't go through that. Let's see what's in the box. So here we have the controllers. They're definitely different comparing to the Quest 2, where they had a plastic band that were going right above the buttons and everything. Each controller comes with a battery already included, which is nice. We just need to remove this plastic tab so the contact is made. And here we have the main unit. Here we have a small cardboard. It shows you how to adjust it since it's a bit different than the Quest 2. Here are the lenses. And you see there's buttons on each side, one over here and one over here. If you press on these buttons, I don't know if you can see, but you can move the distance of the face mask. The unit in general looks very simple. On the front over here, we have the cameras and sensors. On this side, we have the USB Type-C connector to charge the unit. We also have the power button. Over here, we have this knob that is made to adjust the lens. You see, as I'm rotating the knob, the lens come together, and you can also separate depending on the distance between your pupil. Let's see what other things we have in the box. Over here, we have a small box. So over here we have some manuals. We also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable to charge the unit. And what's nice is that they also included the charger. Many companies stopped including this since they believe you already have one, but over here they actually included it. This is, by the way, a 18 watts charger. And by the way, if you want to get a Quest 3 from Amazon, I have put a link in the description. This is also supporting my channel, so thanks in advance if you're doing this. So this is it. This is what comes included inside of the box. Obviously, they also sell some different accessories that you can buy separately, including a better strap over here. They also sell one with a battery integrated to have a longer battery life. They also sell some special straps for your controllers and also a dock so you can charge the main unit and the two controllers all at the same time. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.